Everybody, and today we are learning about NumPy in Python. So, what is NumPy? NumPy is like a package. So, it's similar to my SymPy video, which you can check it out. It's on my channel. And then after SymPy, there's NumPy, and after NumPy, there's SciPy, and after SciPy, there's PyTorch. So, first of all, we are doing slicing and striding, but we're only doing slicing, no striding at all. So the reason why it's printing 1, 3, and 5 is because it's only because of this code. And let me explain a little bit about this code. So I told it to print from index number 1, which is this thing right here, the thing I highlighted in blue, and then it goes to 7, but there's a twist. It skips 7. It just gets rid of 1 for some reason. And then it goes to 6. And I have no idea why though. And then now it's gonna print 3. The reason why is because I said skip ahead by 2. Does that make sense? So from 1, you'll go skip 2 and then 3. And then from 3, you're gonna skip 4 and then 5. So it won't print 6 because that's the end. And also I said skip 2 steps. So it won't print 6. And let's try another code. But let's not do another code. Let's do this only, but without the 2. Like the whole thing, but without the colon 2. See what it prints. Okay, so basically, oh wait, I forgot to change this one. Let's change it to 4. Let's change to 6 or 7. I think 7 to, to 4. Okay, so the reason why it's printing from 1 to 3 is because it starts from index 1, which is number 1. And if you put something else, like 2 for index 1, it's just going to print 2. It's not going to print 1. And then we didn't skip anything, so it's going to print 2. And then it's going to go to 3, but it won't print 4 because, like I said, it doesn't count 4 for some reason. And it just goes up to 3. And I'm going to change this back. So thank you for watching, and if you want more content like this, just like and subscribe. Bye!